Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's October 30th. We've got the grains a little higher here today. After being down yesterday, corn up 4 cents, beans up 7.5 right now, with the wheat market up about 5. So we are finding a little strength this morning. Guys are still watching this weather after this Hurricane Sandy has come on land. But now it's time to sift out the aftermath and find out really what's going on. We do have the stock market that's still going to be closed today. Other certain markets around commodities will be closed as well, some of the New York markets. But still trying to figure out what kind of what's going to come out of this. A lot of the guys on the east still had some harvesting to do. There may be a little concern there with some corn still out there. But as of right now, that may be a little friendly if we start talking that here today. But what we've seen is that yesterday was light volume. I do suspect that today will be light volume as well. So areas of New York out of power, that's going to be a big concern today. But we are probably going to see some lighter volume here today, maybe to push these markets around. But overall, I think we're going to try to work higher. But maybe more of a quiet trade. But some of the things that are coming up that you guys have to be aware of. We've got the funds that are going to start their roll. They're going to start rolling contracts here tomorrow. So that's something that guys are going to be watching. How are they going to roll out of these nearby contracts? We know the funds are holding quite a few long positions. So something to be keep in your mind here as we move forth and as we move throughout the week. There was also talks yesterday of trading hours changing at the CME, going back to the old way or the older way that we had, and going back to lessening some hours. Well, the chairman of the CME came out and said that will not happen. So if you guys are hearing that out there, those hours will not be trimmed. We are going to keep things as they are right now. As far as the dollar today, down about 26 cents. That's breaking back. We did see stronger trade yesterday, but giving back all of those gains, that may boost commodities today and maybe give a sense of buying today if that dollar can stay lower. Crude oil up about 50 cents. So after being down $1 yesterday, we are gaining about 50 cents today. 85.06 right now for crude oil. So trying to gain a little strength here in the early trading. As far as livestock, fat cattle unchanged right now, 125.25. More quiet trade there, very light volume overnight. But as far as box beef, mixed. Last night you had choice up 68 cents, select down 62. But we're expecting cash cattle to trade maybe steady to maybe even a little bit lower this week after some weaker trade last week. So kind of keep that in mind. That might try to cap any kind of big rally that we see for cattle here at this point. Hogs up 40 cents, 78.20 for that December contract. We found some very violent trade right when the pit had opened up yesterday at 9:05 and pushed us quite a bit lower. Well, the low that we made yesterday was right up against support. So, and that happened within the first 5 minutes of trade. So we are looking for hogs maybe to get a little bit of a rebound, but be careful. Seasonally, we do tend to see a peak. We've got the cash markets slowing down here and maybe turning over. Saw a big decline in the cash market there on Friday. Pork cutouts, though, overnight maybe up to about 9 cents. So things have slowed down. So we may get back to more of that seasonal trade in the hogs, which right now is lower. So be a little bit concerned with that. We'd like to invite everybody out there to our conference that's coming up, our 25th annual conference. We've got that'll be January 25th. Great speakers out there. It's going to benefit you guys. It's a great way to start your marketing season. So I just wanted to invite you guys to that. Give us a call here today, and we'll make sure that we get you the early registration rate you've got today and tomorrow. So give us a call. Make sure it works for you, and we'll be glad to get you guys registered and have a seat reserved for you. So I hope you guys have a great day today. Give us a call with any questions at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you a little later. Take care.